Menendez brothers case. Late tonight, the DA's office asking for a delay just hours before tomorrow's hearing that could set the brothers free.
Yeah, KCAL News assignment editor Mike Rogers is here at the desk. Mike, you just obtained that new court motion.
Yeah, busy night here at the desk. The DA's office has recently filed a motion just hours ago asking the judge, before making a decision on resentencing, to review the risk assessment that apparently has been recently completed by the parole board. The motion says that if the DA's office and the judge don't have that risk assessment, then the judge should delay tomorrow's hearing. We'll show you some video. Remember, the brothers were just in court last week where the judge ultimately rejected the DA's office's bid to pull them out, to remove the motion to support resentencing. So now the DA's office is asking the judge to review the assessment before continuing with tomorrow's resentencing hearing. The DA's office also saying if the judge doesn't have that if the judge doesn't have that assessment hearing, the assessment review rather, then he should delay the motion at all before taking it up. Obviously, this was filed late tonight. You're looking at video and sketches from last week, and then obviously back in the 90s when this whole thing went down originally. We won't know really until tomorrow morning when the judge has a chance to review all of this and rule on it. The judge obviously has a couple of options. He could choose not to review the assessment and just go forward with the resentencing hearing. He could opt to listen to all of the arguments but not make a ruling on resentencing. It all just really depends. Right now, we don't know what that assessment looks like. Remember, Governor Gavin Newsom ordered that assessment to be part of one of the avenues that the brothers have to potentially get out of prison. The resentencing is one of them. Clemency is another from Governor Gavin Newsom. And in that process, the governor ordered the parole board to do that assessment, that risk assessment, to see if the brothers would be a risk to public safety. Remember, the DA's office says because the brothers have lied repeatedly about the case over the years, he believes that they are still a risk to public safety, something the family says is absolutely ridiculous. Regardless, though, we won't know till tomorrow morning how the judge will rule and if there will be a resentencing hearing tomorrow. Again, the DA's office late tonight filing that motion, asking the judge to review that risk assessment before deciding whether or not the brothers could potentially be resentenced.
And we will be covering it. Mike, thank you.